cruel device. Your blood like ice. One look could kill my pain, your thrill. I wanna love you, but I better not touch. Don't touch. I wanna hold you, but my senses tell me to stop. I wanna kiss you, but I want it too much. I wanna taste you, but your lips are venomous poison. Your poison running through my veins. Your poison. I don't wanna break these chains. Poison. Hi, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Poison by Alice Cooper. We're going to do it in the original key, but on a low G string ukulele. Alright, this arrangement is for a low G. If you want to learn it on a high G, let me know in the comments below, and maybe I'll do another version in a different key. But in this key, low G. Alright, so grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Of course, let's start with a tap for the intro. I'm coming a little bit closer now. Okay, so I'm barring here on the second fret, but I'm trying to play just the C and G string, 2 up strums, and then with the ring finger here on the 5th fret of the E string, C string, and with the pinky C, then releasing the pinky, again C, so. Okay, and then we have, this is actually D major. We are doing a hammer on, playing the D major, and then hammer on, but also on the A string. And then with any of your fingers on the 4th fret of the C string and pulling it down. Okay, so. One more time. And then we go to B flat. Actually, this is B flat major 7, like this, here holding on the 3rd fret the G string and barring on the 5th fret like this. Again, accenting on the upper 2 strings. And then again, E string, this time G string with the pinky, A string 7th fret, releasing it. And again the D major thing. And then when we are about to end it, okay, so let's do the whole intro together. In learning materials you can find the PDF with the tab, but also the interactive tab which you can slow down and learn with it. I think that this is the fastest way to learn any of these little bit more complicated finger pickings. But anyway, after that we go to the verse, which starts with the chord of D minor, then to B flat, then to F, and then to C. On these first 4 chords we're just doing 1 down strum, and after that when we get to G minor, I start picking here G, C, E, C, A, E, C, A. This is the finger picking that I'm doing It's not necessary to be exactly the same, but it's cool if you can do a little variation somehow in the second part of the verse. Then to E flat. You can grab it with G string on the 4th fret like this, or with open G string, whichever is easier for you. And then we have again B flat, but here we play D major, and we are building it up, going to the pre-chorus, for which the chords are a little bit quicker, so we are changing it faster. And also on the pre-chorus we are changing the second chord of each bar on the offbeat, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? On the up strum, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. And then we have C minor to A flat, which is the same as C minor, just also putting your middle finger here on the 4th fret of the E string. Again. And then we have A minor to F to C to G major this time, right? And here we play D minor to B flat to F to C, which is also the last 4 chords are repeated throughout the chorus after that. So let's go through it. Your cruel device, your blood like ice, one look could kill my pain, your thrill. And here we start the pre-chorus. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. I wanna but the senses tell me to stop. I wanna kiss you, but I wanna do it much. I wanna taste you, but your lips are venomous poison. Your poison running through my veins. Your poison. I don't wanna break these chains. And here we are going to the first interlude, which is basically the tap for the B flat major 7 that we did. And then we start the second verse. Again we have verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and then we have the second interlude, for which we're doing the part of the tap that is B flat major 7 to D, B flat major 7 to D. We're going between these 2 chords 4 times, and then we enter the bridge, which is again just a tiny little snippet of another part. One look could kill my pain, your thrill. And again we have pre-chorus, chorus, and after that we have the outro, which is the lyrics for the pre-chorus and chorus, but with the chords of the chorus only. So I wanna love you, but I better not touch. I wanna taste you, but my senses tell me to stop. I wanna kiss you, but I want it too much. I wanna taste you, but your lips are venomous poison. And you finish the song like that. Well, this sums up my tutorial for Poison. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you, and also the interactive tab will help you with the more complicated part of this tutorial. Check them out in the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.